Hello everyone, Alex here. Continuing with our Revit from 0 to 100 multi-trade course. Today we're going to be dealing with the shed. It's a pretty simple one. It's an exterior plastic shed, so we're going to be doing the walls around it and the roof. So see you in Revit. Now remember, this video is part of a full course, so if you haven't watched the previous videos, go ahead and watch them now. By now, most of you know that I suffer a horrible data loss. I am going to slow down a little bit on YouTube though. But if you are one of those who are following the course, I don't want you to have to slow down with me. So I remind you that this content is available completely free at BIMitUp.com. You can sign up for free. And this course, as of now, as of December 2025, is still free. It's not going to be free forever, but for now it's free. So if you want to follow the content over there and finish the course over there, you're more than welcome. In the meantime, I'll leave you with this video.
Hi everyone, this is Alex with BIMitUp, where we help you with professional training and coaching in mechanical, electrical, plumbing, fire protection systems, and Autodesk platforms like Revit and AutoCAD MEP. Let's get started.
We have a little shed out here. And it's this one here. It's a plastic shed. I did a little drafting line here just so that I know where my corner is. And I'm going to go to architecture, wall, and I created a generic 2-inch wall. We're going to use finish face exterior, and then we know that in depth it is 83.5 inches. In width it is 83.75 inches. And then this is base. Let's take a look at our section. So this starts at grade. So let's change this to start at grade. And then the unconnected height of those walls is 72.75 inches. And then this slope here, I don't really know, but I know this height. So let's eyeball it. Just go here to roof, roof by footprint. We're gonna pick walls. I'll give it an offset, an overhang of maybe 1 inch. Then we just go here, 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 and here. And we know that this guy and this guy, they don't define slope. And I think these two guys here define slope, so let's assume it's 4 and 12. And click OK. You like to attach? Don't attach. I'll do that if I want later. Let's take a look at a 3D view. See what's going on. Hey, where's our roof? Oh, we had a roof all the way down here. So yeah, this shouldn't they shouldn't be here, right? So maybe what we can do is we can go to our section and then just lift this up. Can probably. Let's see if we find something more appropriate. Let's edit this. Let's duplicate. And let's call this one shed roof. And let's edit this structure. We can probably get rid of this layer and then get rid of this layer. And we can just have a structure here that is, let's say, 1 inch. And for material, we can select the plastic. Maybe this here. That's all right. Let's use the same material. Okay and okay. And now we could join those walls. Now we can join those walls to that roof. What I'm going to do is actually duplicate this material. I'll come here, duplicate materials and asset, and I'm going to call it plastic roof. And this one I'm going to rename as plastic wall. And then this one is the one that I want dark. And that's the one I want to use for my roof. Anyway, right now it's like transparent. Let's actually get rid of that transparency. We did all the structure already. Move that to 0. That's very good. Now let's join this. Attach to this one. This one also to this one, this one also to this one, and this one also to this one. I need to modify a little bit the grade. Need to do a little homework on these elevations on the west.